Join me as I dive deep into the future of SOXL stock and try to predict what's coming next. SOXL stock, for those who might not be familiar, is a popular ETF that allows investors to gain exposure to the semiconductor industry, a sector that has been at the forefront of technological innovation. Given the rapid pace of change in this space, it's crucial for investors to stay informed about the next moves of SOXL stock. The semiconductor industry is highly competitive, with major players like Intel, AMD, and Nvidia constantly vying for market share. This competition can lead to significant volatility in the stock prices of companies in this sector. Adding to the complexity, global economic factors such as trade tensions and supply chain disruptions can also impact SOXL stock's performance. Market volatility is another challenge, as the semiconductor industry is often subject to fluctuations in demand and supply. SOXL stock has also faced challenges from economic factors, including recession fears and interest rate changes. These factors can affect investor sentiment and lead to significant price swings. Furthermore, the sector is subject to regulatory risks, with governments around the world increasingly scrutinizing the industry's impact on national security and data protection. The performance of SOXL stock can also be influenced by technological advancements, as breakthroughs in areas like artificial intelligence and 5G can create new opportunities for growth. However, these advancements can also render existing technologies obsolete, posing a risk to investors. Recent trends in SOXL stock have been closely watched by investors, with many analysts weighing in on its future prospects. Some analysts have expressed optimism about the stock's potential, citing strong demand for semiconductor products and the ETF's diversified portfolio. Recent news has also highlighted the growing importance of the semiconductor industry in the global economy, with many experts predicting significant growth in the coming years. This trend could bode well for SOXL stock, which is well positioned to benefit from the sector's expansion. In terms of market indicators, SOXL stock has been showing signs of resilience, with its price remaining relatively stable despite market volatility. This stability could be a sign of investor confidence in the ETF's long-term prospects. Analyst ratings have also been largely positive, with many experts recommending SOXL stock as a buy. These ratings can provide valuable insights for investors looking to make informed decisions about their portfolios. One crucial insight that stands out is the growing demand for semiconductor products, driven in part by the increasing adoption of AI and machine learning technologies. This trend is likely to continue, driving growth for companies in the sector and potentially boosting SOXL stock's performance. Another key prediction is the importance of innovation in the semiconductor industry, as companies that fail to adapt to changing market conditions may struggle to remain competitive. This could lead to a shift in investor focus towards ETFs like SOXL, which offer exposure to a diversified portfolio of semiconductor stocks. Based on recent developments, it's clear that SOXL stock is at a critical juncture, with several factors influencing its future performance. Investors should keep a close eye on market trends and analyst ratings to make informed decisions about their investments. The future of SOXL stock looks promising, but it's essential to consider the potential risks and challenges facing the semiconductor industry. By staying informed and adapting to changing market conditions, investors can position themselves for success in this rapidly evolving space. To sum up, the future of SOXL stock looks promising, driven by strong demand for semiconductor products and a diversified portfolio of holdings. However, investors should remain cautious and consider factors like market volatility and regulatory risks when making investment decisions. If you've got thoughts on SOXL stock or the semiconductor industry, I'd love to hear them. Leave a comment down below. If you're interested in learning more about investment strategies or stock analysis, be sure to check out our next video.